Such a good boy. Look at that handsome man. Chloe? Come here, Mama. There we go. There's some puppies. Go get the water. Go ahead. Good job, guys. Good job. Good girl. Today's Nature Nugget, October 30th. Back in my little slice of heaven. Little crane sitting out there. I don't know if you can see him. He's right there somewhere. This one's hitting the camera, so I can't. There he is. I can see him now. Okay. Yeah, there he is. So here we are. Back at our favorite spot. Doing another Nature Nugget. Took a break for a week. Had a minor injury, but all is good. Hope everybody has a great day, whoever watches this. And if you're watching it, that means I love you. So, love yourself. And they'll love one more person today than you did yesterday. And it'll come back to you tenfold. Have a great day.